everyone, welcome to COWWA World of Art! Let's make a dinosaur using these materials. First, fold the paper in half diagonally. This should be a square paper. Next, unfold it and fold the edge to the center. Do the same on the other side. Tip: make sure it's as symmetrical as possible so that your dinosaur doesn't become lumpy. Next, unfold it and fold the crease to the center. Repeat on the other side. Then afterwards, fold the edge to the center. Repeat on the other side. Next, flip it the other way and fold the smaller flap's edge towards the center. Repeat on the other side. Then using a ruler, fold the ends of the creases and then open up the flaps and fold them down. Repeat on the other side as well. Then do the same for the top. Fold the edge to the center on both sides. Then again, use a ruler to fold the edge of the crease you just made and open up the flap and fold it down on both sides. Then fold the entire structure in half and fold both flaps to the back. Then align the edge of the neck to the crease of one of the flaps and open it and unfold and fold again to make a neck. Then fold the head downwards to crease it and turn it into a head. Then flip open and tuck the pointed end into the head. Then to make the legs, fold each of the flaps downwards by aligning it with the crease before. Do the same for both sides. And now your body's done! Add an eye and a mouth using a black marker and your dinosaur's done! Okay, actually this one doesn't roar, but thank you for watching COWWA World of Art. Please don't forget to subscribe and see you soon.